everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So you saw Rosalind stamping polish review in the previous video, and you saw how I've swatched and did a small nail art and reviewed all the stamping polishes from Rosalind. Because the video was getting a bit longer, so I thought of doing the stamping plate and the nail art of all the Rosalind stamping polishes in the next video. So here it is. Yes, so this is the stamping plate and these are all the swatches of the Rosalind stamping polishes. I hope you enjoy all the tutorials that I am going to show you here. There will be total of 4 or 5 nail art designs, I think 5. So watch them and I hope you enjoy and love the nail art designs.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, so let's begin with the stamping plate by Rosalind. So this is the stamping plate. This is the stamping plate that I got from Rosalind. It's a nice packaging and they have mentioned all the details at the back, all the how to use it and how to get a nice design, how to pick up the design and everything. It's mentioned here. If you are using a stamping polish, you can use this with stamping polish regular, as well as with the gel stamping gel or polish. Okay, so this is the design. I got this fire one because it was a bit in trend when I got this, but it took about like 20 days for the package to deliver in India, so I think it will be a bit quicker outside or to US, but it took about 20 days to deliver the package to my home. It was quite quicker actually. International packages, they tend to take a lot of time. So the plate number is YHC025 and this is a fire one. You can see I've already done a nail art design using this one. So this is the nail stamping plate. I really find removing this blue film very satisfying. I hope many of you do. Okay, so there are multiple designs of this fire pattern. You can do any of them which you like. There are some bonfires, then there are fire patterns over here, and there's a phoenix pattern, I guess. Okay, phoenix pattern and a firebird kind of thing. I don't know if it's eagle or something. So yeah, there are a lot of patterns here, and let's do a small nail art using this one. Okay, so first of all, let's focus on the grooves. You can see how nicely etched they are. See, the space is nice and the etchings are very deep so that the polishes can go in there properly, and you can pick up a nice pigmented image. It's really nice. All of them, even the finer ones, have nice etchings. So let's do a nail art with them. Okay, so for this one I will be doing this design. You can see I've already got a cut while feeding my dog. Yeah, it's a beautiful design. So for this one I will be using this polish, Floormer sheer polish. The shade name is Sea Foam is the shade name. It's a white jelly kind sheer polish, and we will also need some flakies. Okay, let's get started. apply a very thin coat of sheer white polish. You can use any jelly polish color for this. Once it is in a, it's semi-sticky. So what you will do, we will apply the flakies. I recently got these ones. These are really beautiful flakies, very colorful. I really like them. Okay, so I prefer to use my finger for this because I think it gives me a nice smooth look instead of using that applicator that comes with it. मुझे इस पर बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज नहीं देनी है, बट बहुत स्लाइटली कवरेज आनी चाहिए so that the color can also look nice and the fleekies are also giving it a nice effect. Okay. I just now realized कि मेरा mic was not connected with my camera. So yeah, if you are not able to understand any particular instruction, you can ask me in the comments and I will tell you. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks under flash. So these look like, shards of glasses, but it is a nice effect. So it's done. These are the flakies, very pretty flakies. We will be doing this design and take a white stamping polish. Cover it nicely. Scrape it off. Pick up the design. Transfer it. You can do any way. You can do like this, but I prefer it over the tips, because it looks like a small stylish French pattern, French tip pattern. We can cover the top. Cover the top. On the nails it shows perfectly because your nails are shaped that way. But if not, if you have square nails, you can cover the top like this with a small French tip and it'll look really, really pretty. Isn't it beautiful? You can also do it in a matte top coat as well as glossy, but I prefer matte because it looks really pretty and the design is able to stand out.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
These were all the designs that I did using Rosalind stamping polishes and stamping plate. I hope you really liked them and really enjoyed them as well. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed Abita, please go ahead and subscribe and do comment. I will be waiting for your subscription. We are 1300 strong family right now, and hope to go up to 2000 now. So that's my next goal. So please help me and do subscribe. I make sure you will not regret the subscription. I will post more, and I will post nice and good nail art videos and reviews for you. So please go ahead, subscribe, and do comment whatever you like. And if you don't like anything, you can comment that as well. I will try to improve and post better videos. So thank you for watching, and bye.